My name is Octavius McCollum, and I am a student at Hines Community College, and I am currently in the culinary arts program, finishing up my degree in December. Well, recently, over the years when I was younger, I was developed with autism at a young age, and I got help from others, from my teachers back in high school to let me know that it's a program that can help me graduate from high school. So I had decided to come here to Hines Community College and get more help. I found out about the program through a church member who was friends with the navigator, and the navigator helped me apply for the program. The navigator recently helped me get transportation to school personally through a very bad car accident I was involved in. The reason why I chose cooking because my family members, they cook a lot, and I grew up learning from them, and I fell in love with it ever since. I am much better at being more social, asking for more help, for things I don't understand. Once I get my degree, I plan on getting a job and helping my community learn how to cook.